This video is sponsored by Google Pixel. Sometimes on this channel, we like to make cursed things, but sometimes we just want to make something super, super cute.
Yeah, so today we're gonna be trying Decadent, which is decorating a phone case with this imitation cream? What?
It's simulation whipped cream.
Simulation whipped cream. I think it's mostly just silicone, but it looks really cute. It's like turning your phone case into a dessert creation and then just piling a whole bunch of decorations on top of it.
So we're gonna try that today. Mine's gonna be like whipped cream and gummy bears and sprinkles.
Yeah, mine, I'm gonna add googly eyes to mine. It's gonna be cute, maybe.
If yours ends up cursed, we're gonna have to like do a new intro.
Too late. Let's get the resin.
Resin time, resin time, do resin time.
So what colors are you going for when you go for the gummies?
I mean, I'm gonna try to go for traditional gummy colors, so like red, green, yellow. I might throw in a pink because I think it would be really cute, but I'm a little worried because like I want to use alcohol inks for these, but we don't own all those colors. Like we don't have a green. It's gonna be interesting trying to mix in such a small amount of resin here.
Ooh, oh, you're mixing.
Well, I have to, I need green.
Yeah, oh, that looks so cool, look at that. I think that's a green. It's greenish.
There we go, that's green. I'm ready to pour.
I got a nice macro set up on that Pixel 7, heck yeah.
Honestly, the macro does look really good.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I just have to try to not overfill them. Oh, careful, it's so floppy. Wait, are you going back down?
Alrighty, there you go.
Yay. Okay, it's in the pressure pot. Hopefully that means it won't have any bubbles. We will see you guys tomorrow when we demold these.
Ready?
Yeah. I was wondering what you were doing. I thought you like had an urgent like ear itch or something.
Quick, my ears are itchy. All right, let's see if any bubbles remain after the pressure pot. Ooh, ooh.
Oh, they
it's
look
looking
nice.
good.
Not many bubbles.
Now you might notice that there's a different number of gummies now.
Okay.
And there's twice as many cups.
Okay, I didn't know we were gonna discuss that. I messed up the ratios of the pumps, okay? I messed up the pumping of the resin. The entire first batch was a failure, okay? This isn't cured, it's squishy still, and it's never gonna cure.
Look, they're gummy.
Oh my God.
They're truly gummy bears.
They are, yes they are. I'm glad you're getting so much joy from this.
Yeah, but these are never gonna cure. So yeah, we did a whole nother batch. Look at that, it looks beautiful.
Wow. And he's fully cured. Oh,
So cute.
so cute. Although, you know, this was supposed to be pink. It kind of looks red, but it's fine.
That's fine.
It's fine.
They're compared to a red one.
What is clearly pink? Yeah, the original pink ones look better, okay? You know, they're... It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
I'm not doing a third batch.
Yeah, that is more like it. Look at those.
I did a third round of gummy bears because I didn't like the color of my first or second round. But I'm glad I did because they're cute.
They are so cute.
Now that I'm very prepared on the gummy bear front, I feel ready to practice with the simulation whipped cream.
They're so like forbidden to eat, yet they look so tasty.
So I'm gonna do some testing of the simulation whipped cream first, but we do have an issue. The instructions are not in English.
Thankfully, our Pixel 7 has live translate. Name, Magic Imitation Cream.
Uses handmade DIY simulation cakes, mobile phone beauty. Mobile phone beauty! Okay, precautions. The product is forbidden to eat. Please place in a cool indoor place. Avoid direct sunlight. Please tighten the cap after. Shelf life 9 months. Okay. There's a bunch of different techniques you can do to pipe on this whipped cream, but you basically treat it like frosting. So I'm gonna try to make some nice dollops.
Oh my gosh. No wonder they have to put that precaution on there. Oh my gosh, I want to eat it.
I know. So what a lot of people will do is before they add one, they'll do like a new dollop where they're gonna add it.
Oh my gosh, that's so dangerous. Whoa.
And then I'll try staggering. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
If you stagger, then you're good. And I'll try placing one.
Yeah, if you just place one directly on that. I mean, that looks great.
So I'll just do that. I don't think
Okay.
I need to do the additional dollop. Am I ready?
I think you're ready.
I think I'm ready.
Your
Wait,
training is complete.
I think so. Okay. I'm gonna move on to the real color.
Well, you have a few different color options, right? Are you gonna like alternate, or are you going to do a gradient?
No, I'm not gonna do any of those things. I am gonna do a solid color. I just have to decide, do I want white, like classic whipped cream? That
Yep.
looks pretty good, but I might do the
Ooh,
pink.
pink, yes.
I'm thinking the pink.
Yeah, I think you should do the pink. Now, will you have enough to cover the whole case?
I don't know what to do otherwise.
There's only one way to find out.
So I'm gonna avoid putting any of the cream here because I don't wanna cover the camera bar because I feel like that's a very iconic design feature of the Pixel 7. So I don't wanna cover that, but I'm gonna place most of the cream here and then I'm gonna do a little row across the top.
Do it. Don't mess up. Sorry. sorry. I'm sorry, right as it was coming out.
No, I'm just retracting it back in.
You did.
This is the real deal. And if I mess up,
Wait, oh my gosh.
what? Oh my God, we didn't sand it. Oh my God, we didn't sand it. You're supposed to sand it so that it sticks to the phone case.
I'm so glad I said something.
Oh my God. Was there anything else we were supposed to do?
No, just this. Even though this is kind of painful to do,
It is a little painful to do.
it's just like scratching.
Oh God, it sounds terrible. Oh my God. Okay. Are you ready? Am I
I'm
ready?
ready.
Is
I'm
there
ready.
anything else we're missing? Okay.
Looking delicious.
Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. I'm gonna squeeze it all the way down. Come on, I need every last little bit. Come on. You know, it's like a thing of toothpaste. It's hard to get that last.
Little bit.
Yes. Now before you start that last,
I need the last row. I have to.
I don't think it's gonna happen.
I have no other choice.
Maybe there's a color in the other
Is there
pack.
another one that's like the same pink?
Is this close at all?
I think it's probably close enough. Okay, I'll
close.
keep going.
It's somewhat close. It's a little bit more saturated.
It looks the same.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
that
thank
looks great.
God.
Oh, ooh, nice.
It is different. You know what I think it was? That was just like
The remaining
in the tube.
Yep,
You know
yep.
it's fine. Okay, now let's see if I need to do any like little cleanup or anything like that. Yeah, the only part that's messy is the bottom. I feel like it needs a little work. So I'm gonna go sideways across it. Oh
Okay.
gosh, the color difference. It's fine, it's fine.
It's fine, it's fine, it's
I'm gonna
fine.
try not to make this more messy looking, you know?
Oh, you're gonna do little dots. I thought you were gonna do like
Nope,
an edge thing.
this is my edge thing. I feel like it all needs to be dollops.
Yeah, the closer I get, the more you can notice the color difference. Well, let's go back here. That looks great.
Thank you. Time to place my gummies. I know something I can do. Because I'm not covering the camera bar, I can stage it.
And those can be your guide gummy bears.
And I do have a limited working time.
Yes, this is curing right now.
I'm gonna do it. Oh my God!
cute.
I love this.
Oh my gosh, I want to eat it so bad.
I want to eat it so bad.
You're gonna do, yes! I love it.
Okay, so they need to be like relatively close to each other.
Oh my gosh, like tucking them in.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down this way.
Oh. Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh my gosh, this is looking so delicious.
Oh,
This
man.
is so satisfying to watch.
And I still wanna do my sprinkles too, okay.
Okay, yeah.
No time to dilly-dally.
So how many sprinkles are you gonna do? Like what level of sprinklage? Because like it's looking nice right now. That's looking like a treat already.
I had not thought about the quantity. Kind of got concentrated there in the middle, but as long as it's not the only concentrated area.
Oh, at the top, that's great. I love it, especially at the top.
I'm gonna make sure I get some on the outside edge. Oh my gosh. I feel like these are really hiding my mistakes nicely.
Yes, 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 yes. The only problem with this case, Katelyn, is every time I see it, I'm gonna want sweet treats.
I know. It literally looks so good.
But all of the add-ons really help hide the mistakes.
They really did. They really did. Ah, you guys, I think I'm done.
Wow.
Oh, it looks so delicious.
looks
I'm so happy.
So delicious.
I'm so happy, and now I get to eat it.
So my whole design was based around googly eyes, because they're hilarious and I absolutely love them. But why settle for just normal googly eyes when you can get glow-in-the-dark googly eyes? I want to do like really fine fur texture, but I'm gonna do it like, it's going.
You okay?
Oh, it's going.
Because you squeezed it too hard. Take off the clip. It's still squeezing out.
Oh geez, sorry. Yeah, not like this at all. Sorry
No.
about that.
Apology accepted.
I want it to be like, kind of like that. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? For the fur, excuse me. Oh geez. This is also very tough.
I think doing little ones is a lot harder than doing big ones.
Okay, I'm gonna try a different strategy. So what if I just squeeze out a big dollop and then I kind of just like paint it out.
I mean,
Wait, I'm not there yet. And then on top of it, I do fur.
oh, you just kind of go wild with it.
And I just kind of like go like this. And that looks a lot more fur-like, honestly. Okay, that looks way like fur.
Yeah.
That heckin' looks like fur. So I'm gonna be
true.
testing how to do a border around an eye.
Like an eyelid?
Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of.
Okay, not what I was
Don't look at that,
expecting.
don't look at that. This is just, I'm just applying some so I can get a base. Oh!
It's
It's a thing.
It's something. I mean, I kind of think you need the eyelid to like bring it
Incorporate
together,
it?
to incorporate it.
Yeah. It's not
is-
cursed. So I think I have the design. I'm ready.
Wow, so cute.
It's gonna have little teeth, a little tongue, a little mouth, 2 raised eyes. So then the eyes are in front of the mouth. Oh my gosh, look at that.
I think that's pretty dang good placement. So are you gonna leave the camera bar clear as well?
Yeah.
cool.
Gotta keep that clear. And then I'm just gonna do hair here and then everywhere else.
I love how it's hair.
What's the difference between hair and fur, guys? I'm a dentist now.
Yep.
Wait.
Very nice.
Important finishing touches.
Most important part. You look so good.
Yes!
He looks so good. He looks really, really
Oh,
good.
yay.
So
Oh,
much
so much fun.
personality. Look at him. So what colors are you going for?
I'm gonna go for like some like light orange, and white.
Interesting. Okay.
All right, this is just gonna be like a general base coat application, you know what I mean?
So I thought you were going to be really careful about staying within the edge. Didn't you say that to me off screen?
I have decided to embrace imperfection.
I mean, I think that's great.
Should I use an actual brush? I'm gonna use an actual brush.
I mean, just be careful of like hairs.
It's okay if there's hairs.
Ah!
Oh yeah, this is much better,
that's
much
way
more
better.
precise.
Honestly, the autofocus is so good on this.
I know, right? It tracks like amazingly well.
Yeah.
I've been super impressed. Okay, I think the base coat is down.
Yeah, time for hairs. Furs. What are you calling them?
Fur.
Fur. I like that better than hair. Now it might be worth doing like a slightly more controlled border.
Oh,
Just so you
right.
don't have the thin splotches up on the edges. I think that looks a lot nicer. And then you can be a little bit more chaotic in the middle. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice seeing the, like I can see the vision in the areas where it's more fleshed out. Fleshed out. Is it flesh? What if it's flesh?
It's spiky flesh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So are these, now that I'm thinking about it, this skin, are these pimples?
No, he's spotted like, you know, Dalmatian.
Oh, because, okay, it's fur again.
Fur again.
We should stick to fur.
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, he's looking furrier. He kind of looks like a plushie.
That's what I was hoping for.
Like a plushie covered in skin.
It's so cursed. It's not cursed.
It's not cursed. You
I
know?
probably shouldn't have gone for this color. I probably should have gone for like a blue. Is it too late?
Yes.
I might be going back on the test results from earlier.
Are you gonna not do the eyelids?
I'm not sure about the eyelids. Thinking about adding that to this?
I don't know.
I don't know, man.
I think once you're done with the rest of his fur,
We'll make a decision
we'll
then.
make a decision then.
Say goodbye to our case as you see it now. Katelyn has convinced me that I should do eyebrows. Or eyelids.
I think they look really nice. And I feel like they would incorporate the googly eyes better.
Yeah, not at all cursed.
No, that's not, I would never tell you to do something cursed.
Never.
Nice.
Okay. Already with like a lot of character there.
Yep.
A lot of character. I already know you're right. You're right, Katelyn. Oh my gosh. Oh, what have we done? What have we done?
Oh, it's so much more realistic now.
What have we done? I think that's it.
Alrighty, we'll let these fully dry, then we'll squish them, see how they feel, and we'll put them on the phone.
Yeah. Imitation whipped cream might be my favorite new material since resin. Probably because
That's a big statement too.
I know, kind of because it's a little bit resinish. It's like squishy resin.
It is like squishy
It
resin.
hardens so great, yet it's still bendable. Like new material unlocked, guys.
Like mine literally looks like a treat I could eat, and
Mine looks like it does.
exactly.
And I had fun making this. I just am happy and I enjoyed it.
But you know, one question we haven't answered yet.
Is it supervisor approved?
Okay. What do you think? Does it look like a treat the humans would eat? Honestly, it's probably really good for scratching. Want to give it a little chin scratch?
It's not ham.
Well, how do you feel about him?
Is more like ham.
Thank you for your contributions, your feedback. Oh, he got
there
a
it is.
scratch.
There it is.
He got a
There it is.
scratch. And she's done. Thanks again to Google Pixel for sponsoring this video.